customer brought in their 2006 Hummer H3. The problem was the driver's side window wouldn't roll down, but all other three windows would roll down, but the locks didn't work at all. So what I did is I checked the fuses and relays that are located right here underneath the hood. I checked 6 and 68, and those were good. So I plugged in my Snap-on scanner to the unit and I scanned the BCM. And what I did is on the Snap-on scanner I can see from the master switch if I try to roll down the driver's side window it would say it was activated, or if I try to unlock it or lock it, it would say activated. So the BCM was getting its correct signal, but the locks weren't doing anything and the other windows weren't doing anything. So what I did is I pulled the master switch off on the driver's side, since that is a separate circuit and it has two relays built into that master switch. So what I did is there's a blue wire that's supposed to have power, but I wasn't getting any power out of it. So what I did is I replaced the master switch, which Identifix has verified that this is a common issue on these units, and I know a lot of people have issues with them. So I changed that master switch and everything started working good. So I'm going to show you how to remove the master switch and how to reinstall the new one. So this is the master switch and this is what was defective. So you literally just put your screwdriver right here, pull up, and you can hear that pin pop. No big deal, it always falls down right here in this little crevice. So you pull that out and it actually goes right back on here, just like this. No big deal. And you got a little pin right here and a little one right here. You squeeze that down, you pull it out, pull that one out. This has already been replaced, so we'll actually install this back on. Just like that. Make sure your pin's on there all the way. And just tuck it back down in there. Oh, got it backwards. It clips in just like that. I know this was a super short clip, but I know a lot of people who took their Hummer to the Chevy dealership to be diagnosed, spent over, $300 or $400 or even more for, just diagnostic and replacing it and stuff like that. You can go with the OEM AC Delco if you want to, about 80 to 120 bucks, or you can go with the cheap one from Amazon, which is what, $24 or something like that. So whatever you guys want to pick is absolutely fine. I don't have anything against aftermarket cheap stuff, but you gotta understand that cheaper stuff might not last as long, or it could, who knows. But at least this is fixed now, and at least a lot of people will understand what's going on now. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe. Thanks.